Are you tired of using outdated apps that lag or fail to load your favorite content in 2026? Don't worry, because there is a new wave of powerful tools that will completely transform your streaming experience right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are counting down the absolute best apps for Android and Firestick users that you need to install today to stay ahead of the curve. The problem with most streaming setups is that apps become bloated and slow down your hardware over time. Most users rely on the same old software that hasn't been updated for the latest system requirements, leaving your device feeling sluggish and unprotected. Let's jump straight into the top 10 apps to supercharge your device for the year 2026. Step 1. Install the latest version of the Downloader app to easily sideload high-performance software that isn't available on the standard app stores. Step 2. Download a premium VPN app like IPVanish or NordVPN to mask your traffic and prevent your internet provider from throttling your 4K streams. Step 3. Get the 2026 edition of the Wolf Launcher to replace your cluttered home screen with a clean and lightning-fast interface. Step 4. Install the Background Apps and Process List tool to quickly kill hidden tasks that are eating up your device's memory. Step 5. Grab the latest VLC media player, which now features advanced hardware acceleration for smoother playback of high bitrate files. Step 6. Download a reputable ad blocker specifically designed for streaming devices to stop those annoying pop-ups before they even start. Step 7. Install the Send Files to TV app so you can instantly move large configuration files from your phone to your Fire Stick without using cables. Step 8. Get the SmartTube Next app for a much better video browsing experience with no built-in sponsors or interruptions. Step 9. Download the Streamio app and pair it with the latest 2026 community add-ons to organize all your streaming services into one single library. Step 10. Install a dedicated cache cleaner app to automatically wipe out temporary files that slow down your system every time you reboot. Here is a pro tip for you. Always use a high-speed internet connection and switch your device to the 5 GHz band rather than the 2.4 GHz band. This ensures that these powerful 2026 apps have enough bandwidth to pull high-quality metadata and posters without any buffering. If you face any difficulty installing these apps or need a specific link, just leave a comment below. I will be monitoring the thread and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these recommendations helped you upgrade your streaming setup, please like this video and share it with your tech friends. Remember to subscribe to TechVibes for more daily tech updates and app reviews. You are all set to enjoy the most powerful streaming setup of 2026.